real purpose for us to come here is two really things. Is one, to educate the Kenyan surgeons. And so that if we as teachers from the United States can come and educate the educators in Kenya, the doctors who are doing the teaching, then we can make this a much better place where they don't need us. And so I've been to Africa maybe 30 times, and we've come to Kenya many times. Now we would like to go into Nairobi and work, but there's not enough room in all the hospitals for us to work. Very hard to identify many patients with very advanced head and neck tumors, large parotids, thyroids, cancers that are hard to treat in this region. Dr. Gathuru could treat them, but not by himself. You need a team to do this. So I bring senior professors, some from Harvard, some from Utah, some from Indiana, some from Cincinnati, some from Vanderbilt. And these very senior professors, their whole goal is to come over here and teach the Kenyan surgeons how to be professors. And then they can teach their students and teach their residents. So from 3 months old to 100 years old, and mainly rare tumors or abnormalities of the head and neck. And it's such a privilege to get to be here in Kenya and work in this situation. This year, almost all of the patients are complex. Even if I were home at Vanderbilt, these would be very complex patients. So a young 11-month-old child had a tumor, a cyst on the side of his head as big as his head. And so we had to dissect all the nerves that come out of the skull on one side and dissect his entire throat and pharynx, and he's doing very well.
Caris Foundation has been in Kenya since 2008, and our major goal is just to help people and to help especially in empowerment out of poverty. The surgery camps became another aspect of that in 2009. When Dr. Netterville became available, and we had some other doctors doing general surgeries, but we started concentrating on the head and neck because, as Dr. Netterville mentioned, that was a specific need in Kenya, that we could really empower Kenyan doctors and teach and raise the level of head and neck and ENT care.
So far tushawaona wagonjwa over 300 people, na kuanzia 24 wiki iliyopita tumewafanyia operation zile kubwa za ENT, na tutaraji by the end of the week, by Friday tutaweza ku reach over 70 cases tumezifanya kwa safari hii. Hii ni ushirikiano na shirika la Caris Foundation ambao wana ofisi hapa Malindi. Ni shirika ambalo linasaidia community yetu kwa mambo mengi, na wanawaleta madaktari kutoka sehemu za Amerika, na one of the best doctors wale ambao kule Amerika wa ENT wanakuja na staff wao kutusaidia hapa Kenya.
Kitu ambacho it is a bit lacking kwetu sisi, it is that drive, kwamba watu wengi ambao wanasafa magonjwa kama vile ya kansa, watu hawapendi kwenda katika screening mapema. Watu wanasubiri mpaka kitu vimeshindikana, imefika stage 4 ndo unakimbilia hospitali, na ikifika at that stage inakuwa sasa ni ngumu kuweza kusaidia mtu. Mimi nataka kuweka mikakati with all stakeholders ambao wako katika health sector ndani ya Malindi sub county, na wale wafadhili wowote ambao naweza nikawapata, tuweze kuweka health camps huku mashinani za watu kufanyiwa screening, ili kama kuna mtu ako na kansa si kifo automatically. Kama mtu anaweza kuwahi huu ugonjwa kabla huja develop zaidi katika mwili wake, there is a chance of survival yenye ambayo mtu anaweza akapata.